Hey, yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on a 2006 Toyota Sienna. I'm replacing the catalytic converters on the front and the rear of the engine, and I'm also replacing the Y pipe that connects them both. So y'all stay tuned. These gnats out here just getting on my nerves. But y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and let me know what else y'all want to see me work on, fix, do, or whatever. Well, stay tuned. Okay, y'all. You got 2 screws right here on this thing to help you in taking this from here. Just set it over there so I can get my O2 sensor out. This is the O2 sensor right here. I already loosened it, but the wire, if you can see, the wire is right here and it runs right there to this connector. But the size for the O2 sensor is a 7/8. You can use a wrench, but they do have O2 sensor sockets and stuff like that. This is the 7/8 wrench. And so we're gonna go down to the bottom, take the other O2 sensor out. This is the plug to this one down here. Got little tabs on it. Push the tab. If I can push it and pull it out at the same time. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Now we're gonna take this one out here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got it loose. Okay. Okay. You might can try it by hand after that one. That one looks pretty good. Okay, and what I'm gonna have to do too is I'm gonna cut this pipe off, but since I don't have any bolts up here, I'm gonna cut this pipe off so I can be able to pull it off from up the top. Cut it off. I don't know where I want to cut it at. The pipe off with this right here, this air gun that has a little compressor to do that with. But we're gonna zoom. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all the pipe cutting off or not. I might and I might not, but just know it's gonna get cut off. Don't y'all forget about safety glasses. You don't want all that fire because it's gonna be shooting fire. These might not be the best, but they'll protect my eyes a little bit. Okay. Good. Cut where I'm starting to cut it at. We'll cut it on off right there. Yes, sir. Just cutting this pipe off, as you can see here, but I can't really get around this top because I'm, you know, the oil pan and stuff like that is in the way up here. Gotta watch out for the transmission and stuff. So I decided to just go and take the pipe down. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 bolts here. Then you also got 3 on top up here that I already took off. If y'all can see that, I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but trying to show you. What I'm about to do now is go ahead and take these off. You got 2 bolts there. Oh, the bolts is a size 14 millimeter. And you might have to hold that nut on the top. And this is the O2 sensor here, as you can see, and it goes into the inside of the car through this hole right here. I think my husband said it's up under the steering wheel where it plugs up at, because he unplugged it for me because I was under the car. So we're gonna unscrew these bolts, which that is a size 14 as well. Let's see. My husband said, oh, the gun is charged, it'll get it off. I tell you, now I gotta put some muscle on here. Get this set up in the right position now. Trying to see if that screw is turning on top there. I knew it was gonna be turning on top. That I gotta hold is also a 14. you guys. What I'm trying to do is get these screws off right here, but that nut is on top that I have to hold it with a wrench. So when I get that off, I'll be back. You got one here and one right here. You can see it. Y'all might can see it now. And it's one here and one over here. Okay, got some progress, guys. Oh, okay. Let me get this out. Hold on. Yeah. If I can get it in here right. I'm trying to hold this light. Oh, yeah. I already like loosen these up. Yeah, be careful, the screws hit you on the eye, on the back of the head, the back of the engine. That's loose. All right. I keep dropping the screws. I gotta find those. Okay, and I remember I already took the ones on the top. You got 6 and all on this exhaust manifold pipe. Okay, let's move this light here. The 2 bolts here, I got those out. I took the ones out there. So now we're gonna pull this pipe down. You can see here. Okay, you got that. See that? Let me see if I can pull it out, y'all. It's loose. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. See my issue. I forgot, y'all. I forgot to take my O2 sensor loose. I'm tripping. O2 sensor wire. This was holding me up. Let's see if I can unhook that. Got like a tab on it. Get my hand over here, y'all, to get that. Match that tab up there. I get that unhooked. Okay. Now let me work on back getting it out of here again. Can't really tell what had me up there. Alright, y'all can see I got it coming out. Just who did that? Try to put some glue on there. Wow. I don't know. Let's look up here, guys. I'm putting new gaskets on, so I don't have to worry about those. Okay, now remember I told you I was cutting this here. So now that I got my pipe dropped down some, I should be able to grind the rest of it off here. So I'm gonna finish that up and go from there. I'm at the top now, guys. Oh, let me just take these off. Put that up there. I think I can go back too far. All right. Get it on my hand, cause that one is a 15 for some odd reason. Still got a hard one over here that I was supposed to get. I don't know what I started doing. I think I got sidetracked. I was supposed to already have that one off, but I don't know what happened with that one. Go down here again because I got stuff down here. Alright, finally got that screw out down there. Let's see, back. I know I'm gonna be able to get this all the way off because I really need to get that pipe down there. That thing. Alright, I finally got these pipes down. Y'all can see it's cut off. It's crazy, but you gotta cut off. Inside of that. So now, them little popcorns on now. I'm about to go up to the top and pull it up. Hopefully. Let me. Yeah. I gotta screw this O2 sensor out of here. But as y'all can see, my husband, he never came and got that for me. That exhaust pipe. I have this car. Pull it up now. Yay! All right. We can see the whole setup. It'll be like that. Let's see. So, take this. I'll take that out in a minute. These are the new parts right here. You can see it's all pretty. Now, and there's the O2 sensor hole for that one, like it is over here. I'm side by side, you can see. And then I got all the new gaskets and stuff. I mean, I think it's a O-ring or something. And a donut gasket go right here. You see how this one, this is an old one, but it came with new ones. Put right there. And okay, this is the front one. Yeah. Make sure you always match up your parts, you guys. And this is the one for the back. That's the one for the back. So here go all the gaskets. Donut gasket. Exhaust gasket. Come with the new screws. And all your other screws. And over here, let's go over here and get this pipe. This one here. Here. And we're gonna take that one out too. Okay. Now they say this was for this car. Right? So what I noticed, it is more bulkier in this area compared to this one. But the bolt pattern to bolt it up to the engine is the same. And this is even bigger too. I mean, this one is bigger than that one. But it said it should work, so that's what we're gonna go with. Okay, so now you know what time it is now. Get down there and put it back on. So guys, when I get everything back on and hooked up, I will show you the end result. Put this gasket on up here. Yeah, you can see this. I took the old one off of there. Make sure you put your new gasket on. I don't know if it's gonna stay there. Okay. Alright. Oh, it fit on there, huh? Get my screws started, you guys. If I can hold it up there. Okay. Finish bolting this up and then connect the long pipe that was here. Connect the long pipe that was here and connect it there. Gotta fix that leak next, that power steering. I think the hose up top is bad and causing it to run down. Y'all see that fluid up there? If you can. But alrighty, let me get back to doing this. Okay guys, this is where the O2 sensor comes in on the driver's side under the carpet right here by the gas pedal. You pull that back and the O2 sensor wire is right here. Just unplug it and pull it through, down through that way. So, all right, we got it all done, guys. This is it from the front. Oh, let me get on there good. That's it from the front. Y'all can see, got that new pipe on there. All the way back there. Gotta bolt it up. O2 sensor back in, running through there. see, then we got this on, of course. So I didn't put those heat shields back on, so I hope it's okay, because we do have some on the top of the car right there and right here, because this pipe seemed like it was a little smaller than me, if you ask me. But hey, it's on. I'll show you out the top. I can't get up, y'all, but y'all can see we got the new one on. So and that's it.
Yeah. Did you give me a shout out? Yeah, in the golf clothes. Hey man, let me tell y'all something, man. She out here working like a slave. You know how I had to get up. But yeah, she got it, man. She did a good job. I just came and helped her out, get off the grill, just to, you know what I'm saying, make it even.
Yeah, cause
I was supposed to do it, but you know, times get hard. That's what the backbone's for. I'm just messing with it. She got it though. I only did a little part.
And we signing off.